Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can hide Meta AI in your WhatsApp. First, go to your WhatsApp app. Here you can see we have a search bar of Meta AI and a Meta AI button on the right bottom. If you want to remove it, click on three buttons on the right top corner and click on settings and go to chats option. And in the chat section, you will find an option of show Meta AI button. Turn that off and your Meta AI button will be removed from your WhatsApp. Not everyone have this option. WhatsApp is giving them to random people. If you don't have it, just wait. You will get it eventually. And that's how you can hide AI Meta button in your WhatsApp. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.